pa guys, welcome back into my YouTube channel. So guys, into this video, charot, andito kami sa Lombok, Bali, Indonesia. So, ayan, nakadock kami, hindi nakatender. Ayan, dalawang gangway or entrance exit, dalawa dito at saka doon sa, or unless that area yung hindi ko alam, basta ayan siya. Ayan, ay, yeah. So, today is January 1. January 2. So, dito tayo sa kabila kasi mainit doon. And, ganito yung view. Ayan, sa dalawang entry, dalawang chances of winning. So, either dyan o doon sa kabila, ha? Ayan yung, siguro na. So, maybe we go over that side, no? Yeah. Yeah, because if we go from here to straight, so that's the buses that waiting us. Yung tour. Iba yung tour natin today, but anyway, iba yung concept. Anyway, makita nyo na yun mamaya, guys. Or the next video. Kasi, ganyan. Ganyan. Actually, this is the Lombok. Ayan. May fish pond ba yan? Okay, guys. We'll get ready kasi alas, kailangan na yung 8:30 baba na tayo. So, 8:15. Pero, late naman ang pag-dock natin. So, okay. Init. It's hot.
Hot out there?
Yeah. So guys, nag-change outfit ako, binalik ko to. So, anyway, kasi yung dark blue kanina nasuot natin yung nag-intro tayo. At saka naka-stripe ako ng shorts. Pero hindi nyo siguro nakita yung shorts kasi naka-intro pa ako. Anong tawag doon? Yung pangtaas kasi, yung top kasi, thicker a little bit, tapos mainit. So, anyway, ay, nako! Lipstick lang ako, ready na ako. Sapatos na lang. Pagkasama mo yung amo natin, yung boss natin, kailangan mas okay pang mag-antay ka sa kanya kaysa ikaw antayin kasi maano yan eh. Ang daming sat-sat. Charot. And this time, I'm just gonna use my pocket tray. Hindi yung kasi hindi siya masyadong indoor naman tayo. Hindi siya yung katulad yesterday naganap. And I will separate the video of the Lombok, Bali, Indonesia. Huh. Separate ko yun. Ayan. And wala akong umbrella kasi iba yung... Should I bring umbrella? Kasi we're gonna walk. I bring 2 tissue. Yesterday, isang tissue. Kulang. So, dinalawa ko. Pero, iba naman kasi yung kahapon yung, natin, yung sa Benoit. More outside. Lahat outside. So, ngayon, inside. Pero, kailangan ko ng tissue na lang. Magdala ako. Just in case. So, magdala na lang daw ako ng umbrella, guys. Baka kasi ba, 81% my phone. It's okay. Yeah, we're ready. That was that. Don't forget the ticket. Yesterday, nakalimutan namin yung ticket. Bumalik si Bossing. Kawawa. Okay. See you. Dito again sa Royal Theater. Hi po.
Hello, good morning.
Sure.
Okay, just proceed to your left-hand side. Inside.
Same what we did yesterday. Last night. Ayan. Dito. Dito yung mga main show, main event, guys. Hindi kami bumababa, doon kami sa taas lagi kasi yung sweet guest is nasa taas. Ayan. Oh, we're first, I think, then. So, doon kami sa taas, lagi dyan. Ayan. So, wait. Dyan kami sa taas. Ayan. Touch ko yung, I will touch the wasna because we not been touch on stage.
Much later.
So, we're back sa inside, hindi, outside pa pala ng boat. Tapos lang ng excursion natin, guys. Siniparit ko yung video. We're back here. Yay! So, I think yung mga small, ano yan, is mga cabin ng mga workers. Mga cabin ng cabin crew. Yeah, no? I think it's cabin na the work, mga crew. Yeah. Either yung round or yung ano. Hindi ko alam ha. Sinabi ko lang, pero parang feeling ko, yan na eh. It's still this, what's this one?
It's a dog.
It's a dog. So, normally di put sunglasses, pero wala kasing naiwan dito, so hindi siya makalagay. So, oh, we need to do an arrival card for Singapore. And I don't know ano ito, passport distributor. So, OOTD for tonight, guys. Naglagay ako kasi ang lamig dito. So, ito siya. Yan. Hindi obvious yung tummy. Kaso nga lang yung lamig. So, dalhin ko lang ito. Much better na meron akong ganito kasi kung lamig, madali lang. Kung mainit, okay lang din. So, remove. So, charot. So, nasa switch. Huh? It's so noisy over there.
Sit there. Sit there.
Sit here.
Good chair.
Yeah. Dito banda. Wala yung mga maingay na pamilya. Tingnan natin anong food today. Oh. Again. Yeah. Vegetable spring roll. Full Johnny cakes. Johnny. Buffalo chicken wings. So, pre-meal namin ni Bossing, guys. Kay Bossing, akin. Ito kami uli. My view. My view as always. So guys, it's a lobster cake. So I'm correct this time. In-order ko dalawa talaga. Kasi pwede naman. Kay Bossing isa lang. Pero nag-order siya ng soup. Hindi pa dumating. So, main course the same last night. Kay Bossing kay lamb. Dessert. Ayan. Brownie. Same kami ni Bossing pero chocolate lang yung ice cream niya. So guys, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Bumalik kami sa room after dinner. So, pakita ko dito sa nighttime sa labas. Ayan. Marami pang oras. So, marami pa din tao. Gusto ko nga bumalik dyan. O, dyan lang ba? May binili ako doon. Kaso lang, wag na lang. Ay, hayaan na lang. Ayan. Marami. Yung camera ko, baka mahulog kayo, guys. Ayan. Wait sa. Mahulog ba? Wait sa. Okay, tarong na. Ayan, dyan yung entrance. Ayan, yan dyan. Ayan, nandyan. Siyempre, hindi ko masabi kung ano dyan. Basta, ang alam ko is ito yung port area nila. Ayan. Dito tayo sa banda sa let's see kung may mga tao dito. Siyempre, yung mga tao, wala sa cabin nila. Kasi gabi naman at saka nag-dinner, nanood ng entertainment. So, iba-ibang entertainment. Hello mga people. Charot. Ay, magtak talaga ako. Hulog ba? Hindi ako matakot masira, mahulog or something. Yung video ko ang kinatakutan ko, ayoko mawala. Ayan siya. And guys ha, sobrang late na yung mga video ko. So hayaan nyo na. Hayaan na, wala talaga akong choice. So, at saka hindi ako sinasabi ko sa vlog na to guys, wait dito tayo kasi may kausap si Bossing sa telepono. So sinasabi ko guys na kung bakit sinasabi ko na in-upload ko ganito ganyan, pero hindi ko pa siya na double check ba kasi bago ko i-upload talaga ng proper upload, dinodouble check ko siya para lang hindi alam kung hindi siya mag-i-stop katulad nung Mediterranean cruise namin. Like parang na-trauma talaga ako kasi sayang yung video and wala akong backup. This time kahit may like ang ginagawa ko is like edit ko lagay ko sa computer, edit ko at tapos i-upload ko sa kung ano man yung inedit ko, in-upload ko yun siya sa YouTube and then naka-private and then yung same na yung na-edit ko din, nilagay ko siya sa backup na yung parang backup thingy ba, yung backup file mo, something backup, meron akong maliit na crucial na like data, hindi ko alam kung ano, nakalimutan ko ang pangalan para meron ako kung mawala man ng YouTube, at least meron pa rin akong videos. Pero hindi ko agad siya laging i-upload. Wala lang masyadong tumawatch yung video ko. I'll make sure like once a week or twice a week. Like 2026 is like kung meron na akong video is i-ano ko siya. Ang tawag doon mag-upload lang ako once a week or twice a week. Depende sa video ko. Pero like hindi na ako mag-upload like every 3 days stories kasi parang ano ko na lang ba like kasi ayoko na din lang like haul tapos gusto ko na lang siyang anuhin is like maramihin like example 20 minutes pero isang haul na lang siya. Ayoko dati meron akong 6 minutes like minutes lang, anuhin ko na lang isang buong haul ko na lang siya kung ano, tapos maybe kung meron man talaga once a week I make sure like a week. Then pag hindi pa siya masyadong maraming i-haul, like in 2 weeks pa siya or 3 weeks pa siya, so ganun ang gagawin ko. So ayan, so itong mga vlog ko is once a week na lang siguro ko ito i-upload guys, para magtatagal yung vlog natin na puro, kasi ay ayoko lang like para akong si UI na upload tapos wala namang okay lang kahit maliit, basta meron kayong makikitang maraming vlog guys sa haul. So kasi wala akong ganap guys, so ayun din. And yesterday short lang yung vlog natin sa nasa dagat tayo, tapos longer yung nasa island tayo kasi meron tayong like ganap na mas longer tayo sa outside. Ay, hindi naman mas longer tayo sa loob, pero yung video ko ba, so I'll make sure na ayokong pabalik-balik pero minsan talaga hindi maiwasan kasi makita nyo talaga yung mga video ko na may pabalik-balik. Kasi ako guys, pag nanood ako ng mga cruise, kasi mahilig ako mag-cruise, syempre manood ako ng cruise, gusto ko like ano kaya yung area na yun, tapos short lang ang makikita mo sa video. So like gusto kong makita ng longer kaunti ng area na yan. So kaya medyo may sa promenade like yung binabalik-balik doon, kasi doon kami permanente. Yung pag nasa theater kami, syempre short lang kasi isa silent ko din, yung mga singing. Basta pag sinabi ko na nasa Rio Theater kami, musical hall, alam niya na mga video doon, mga music. Tapos sa promenade, doon kasi yung lagi yung mga tao. So, ayun lang muna ang sermon ko. So, ready na kami. Ready na kami. Wait, close ko lang muna. Friday. We're going for guys, nasa Bolero kami karaoke night. So, syempre, yung ipakita natin is silent lang yon. Dalawa lang ipakita ko sa inyo guys. Oy. Cheers, busing. Si Kabayan, grabe mag-ano eh. Double. Laging single dito. Single lang. 1 by 1 lang magbigay guys. 1 by 1. One shot lang. Plus si Kabayan. Ito talaga. So guys, andito yung mga photos namin. So, ganito na siya. So, tingnan natin ha. Pupunta kaming Royal Theater guys. Ito yung hindi ko alam kung paano yung name na Ziwin. Ayan siya. Child for I don't know, ano ito, comedy, parang, sinabi ni Bossing is like, magic. Tingnan natin, di ba? So guys, nasa music hall kami kasi maaga pa pala doon sa Royal Theater. Balik lang kami doon mamaya. So, meron silang pa dalawang pool table dito. May naglalaro. Ayan, ito yung second floor ng music hall kasi yung meron din sila sa baba kung saan mag-disco. May, doon? Yun, kumakanta doon ba? So, ayan siya. Guys, nag-transfer kami dito sa front. Sa second floor pa din ba? Ayan yung stage dyan. May kumakanta yan kanina dyan. May pub, may bar dito. May bar din doon sa taas. Ito, nasa second floor kami ba? Ayan.
Boom, change. Boom, change. It's possible because I wanted to go model. Yes. Phase 2 you can see this. Boom, you change again. Phase 1 you can see the glass changes to the model. Boom, and the model changes back to the glass. And that's only possible because I won. Make sure I model right here. Phase 2 this. Boom, boom, you change. Wow, you change one. Look, one thing is glass becomes model, and the model changes back to the glass. And that is what we call the bottom line glass magic. Thank you.
3, 10, 85.
So it's 3, 10, 85. Hold on. 3, 10, 85.
Three.
Alright, friends, please key in this number. 3, 1, 0, 85. I'll repeat. 3, 1, 0, 85. Once you're done, press plus. Have all of you pressed the plus button?
Yes.
Very well. Let's go to this gentleman right here, the nice smiling face. That's cute face. Now, sir, I wanted you to give us the random 5 numbers. Random. Go.
69, 69, 5.
69,
69, 69,
Alright, friends.
5.
69, 69, 5.
Okay.
It's 69, 69, 5. Once you got it, press again. Plus.
Plus.
You all press the plus?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's go to this gentleman in the flowery shirt. Hey, lovely. Good, sir. 5 more numbers from you, please.
72, 58,
2, 5, 8,
6.
7,
Alright, friends. Please key in this number.
7, 2,
5,
5,
8,
8, 6.
7, 2, 5, 8, 6. Once you're done, one last time, press plus. Okay, before you press the plus button,
Yes.
thank you. Let's get you to help me, young man. Okay, now so give me your hand, a finger like that, put the other keypad. Okay, now you're going to hit the random 6 numbers. Make it random. Okay, and to make it so spontaneous, I don't want you to look at the keypad, but look at me as you do it, okay? Around here and go. See if I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, I'm glad you did not press the cancel button. Okay, friends, I have given you the last 6 number. Let's have a look. Okay, it's coming out right now, so we can find you. Oh, where is it? Oh, there you go. Okay. 847 586.
847 5.
847 586. Now all of us press equals. Do you all have this number? Tell me. Now remember, this number was created by you, and you. Random. And this will not happen if you are not here. Look at the number on your screen. It means something. 1 is the month, January.
January.
Is 2, and the time
and